Joining a walk-up waitlist at any of the 4 parks is literally just a few push buttons away for those table service restaurants that have availability on the day that you're in the park. Number 1, though, I do highly recommend that you still get reservations for those highly sought after table service restaurants that need reservations, i.e. Be Our Guest, Cinderella's Royal Tables, and things like that. 3 important things that you need to know before you begin. Number 1, joining a walk-up waitlist is not making a reservation, so you are unable to actually pick a time. You're basically putting yourself in line to get up and ready to eat now. Number 2 is you won't be able to see the availability list pop up until the table service restaurants actually open in the parks. That's usually around 11 a.m., 11:30 a.m., and 12 noon. Number 3, you need to be in the park that you are trying to join a walk-up waitlist. The app will kind of register where you are, and you have to be close proximity to where you're wanting to dine. Let's open our My Disney Experience app and take you through all the steps on how to join a walk-up waitlist. Tap the location icon at the bottom left of your screen. Filter the park that you are in for that day. From there, you're going to filter from wait times and pick dining. Top right, you're going to hit Show List, and you can scroll through. As you can see, Cinderella's Royal Table at this day has a 5-minute estimated walk-up waitlist time. If a table service restaurant does not have availability, you will see Walk-up Waitlist at Capacity in red. Choose the table service restaurant that you would like to eat at, and from there, you're going to open it up and click Join Walk-up Waitlist. Now it's just a matter of answering all the questions that they need. Pick how many in your party, note of anybody that has any special mobility requests. You may choose if you have any dietary needs. Celebrating anything, make sure you let them know. Lastly, review and edit anything, and then choose how you want to be notified. You're on the list. Make sure that if you push notification, you get that notification at the top. If by text, make sure you received a text confirming. If you have any questions about this, please just leave them down below and I will be happy to answer them for you. If you found this helpful, please hit that like button for me. Share this with anybody that you think will need this information. I'm Terry with Creating the Magic, and have a magical day.